Today we'll be seeing how to import datasets from Kaggle to Google Colab directly because sometimes we have to work on a high or big size Kaggle datasets. So first go to your Kaggle profile settings and then create a new token, that is API token, and if any previously tokens made, that will be expired. So then you have to download that token. So let me download it here. I have already some. Okay. Now, if you open the downloaded file, you will see you got a username and a key in your collab. You have to type pip install open datasets. Run it. So this will install the open datasets library, and then you have to import that as OD. Now in od.download you have to type this and you have to put the link of the dataset. So if I want to download this dataset, I will copy the link, I will paste it here and run this command. Running this, you have to type your username, so you will get a username here, or if you know, you can type this here. So you paste it. Now it will ask for the key, so the key that you got that is provided in the JSON file, copy that and paste that and enter. And the download will start, and since you can see the data speed is very fast because it is using the Google's internet to download it in its own temporary storage. So here the dataset is loaded in the temporary data space given by the temporary storage space given by Google. So you can see the images here. And now you can use it. So here is the image. So you can use these images just by copying the copy path and, for example, pasting it. So in this way, you can easily bring your Kaggle dataset in Google Colab with just few lines of code and use it. And if in case you want to use this dataset to save in your Google Drive, then what you can do is the mount a drive and then copy this folder and then move this folder to your drive. Thank you.